You can also use your jumping drone as a walkie-talkie. Plug your headset to the smartphone or tablet and press the microphone button. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's do this. To ramp it up, simply swipe your right thumb up. With the jumping race drone, swipe your thumb to the top to activate boost mode. The boost mode allows the jumping race drone to reach up to 8 miles per hour. The jumping drone is able to perform amazing acrobatics. Simply select the acrobatic trick or swipe your right thumb to the top and your mini drone will automatically perform the trick. With the road plan feature, you can program and save a sequence of moves for the Parrot jumping drone. Press the start button and watch your mini drone go. Road Plan allows you to combine your mini drone's movements, tricks, and also video and audio recording functions. The combinations are endless. Take video selfies, record tracking shots, and create your own games. To turn on the jumping night drone LEDs, simply move the slider up. You can also choose different lighting modes by tapping on these icons. You can explore and record even in the most obscure places. To kick objects, pre-charge the long jump button like this. 3, 2, 1, 0. Then, set your jumping drone with its back to the object and tap again the long jump button to shoot. Press the red record icon like this to record a video. Press the photo button to take snapshots. To recover your photos and videos, go to the context menu and press Internal Memory. Select the photos or videos that you wish to save, and then press Transfer to add them to the gallery on your smartphone or tablet. You can also transfer your photos and videos onto your computer. Simply connect your mini drone to your computer using a USB cable. For more tips, subscribe to our channel.